your problem? Fucking hell! Hey, put the fucking phone down! Right, so you cut me off when you're on your phone? Thank you! W7 SCD. Top man, you fucking slut.
Fucking hell! The fuck? Oh, men god morgon på dig! God morgon! God morgon på dig!
Ho 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 ho! That felt good! So you could just ease into that shit, you know? Please don't fucking... Oh! What the fuck? Am I still recording? I'm still recording. Come on, man. Use your fucking head, bruh. Got them blind spots, I guess. I'll give him the fucking that, but not even a signal, man. Signal, signal. Oh my gosh, bruh. You don't just cut across like that, regardless. Like, it's the old.
Well, that was fucking close. That guy was an idiot. Well, actually no, it was like a 50-50 fault. The guy didn't indicate, I don't think, and he just pulled out, and obviously I shouldn't. Well, I mean, I was on the wrong side of the road, so you kind of want to be, you don't really want to be hanging around if you're going to overtake. You've got to overtake, you know? Well, that was fucking close.
Fucking go from here, man! You go from here! Roll down. Roll down the window. No, roll down the window, man, so that I can talk to you. When you go up of a building, you go into this lane. You don't go straight into the right side. People are driving fast on the right side, you motherfucker. I got everything on camera. Fuck you.
It's a left-hand lane. You're allowed to use the left-hand lane. Yeah, and bikes are allowed in the bus lane. Learn the highway code and stop trying to hit people.
Fucking walk! The fucking walk! Fucking idiot!
Wow, faut faire gaffe un peu quand même. Putain, il m'a fait peur lui. Oh la vache. Il m'a fait méga peur.
Hello. Oh, they do realise there's a right lane. Broccoli. Oh, whoa, watch where you're going! Fucking hell! You stupid prick! Fucking hell!